What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back for another car news video here on the channel. Today is going to be all about the brand new 2021 Ford Bronco that's been long awaited. We will focus more on the bigger 2-door and 4-door Bronco in this video, as the Bronco Sport will be another video I will be doing. Before we get into all of that, make sure you drop a like on this video if you find it informative. As well, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Hopefully you guys do enjoy, and let's get started. In 1965, Ford had officially brought the Bronco to life, making it the first SUV in America. Over the years, Ford has made revisions to improve the Bronco. 1996 was the last time we ever saw the Bronco. After all of the different rumors and leaked information, Ford finally gives us the Bronco back here for the 2021 model year. There will be 3 different versions: a 2-door, a 4-door, and a Bronco Sport model as well. Today we'll be focusing on the 2-door and 4-door models. As for the exterior styling, I'm very impressed. Ford pretty much took the styling from the 60s Bronco and gave it a more modern look. I really like that. There are other interesting exterior features, such as a standard 4-wheel drive system. It will also feature a 5 GOAT or go over any terrain modes as well. Overall, the exterior looks really good. Now onto the interior. It looks pretty cool. It gives off a more utilitarian look, which is similar to the Jeep Wrangler. You can even spray down the floor if it gets muddy. The roof and the doors are able to be taken off, and it can be stored behind you while you enjoy the trails. There are also many different settings, such as a stabilizer bar disconnect, front and rear differential lock, trail turn assist, and electronic stability control. All in all, the interior looks good for this type of vehicle. As for trim levels and engine options, we seem to have a good amount. As for the different trims, we have the base, Big Bend, Black Diamond, Outer Banks, Badlands, Wild Track, and a first edition will be available. As far as engines go, expect a 2.3 liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder making 270 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. Now, for those who just want a bit more power, a 2.7 liter twin-turbo V6 will also be available, making 310 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. Now, as far as transmission options go for the Bronco, you will have the option of a 10-speed automatic or a 7-speed manual transmission with a crawl gear. So it would actually be a 6+1, being the crawl gear. So it's actually a 6-speed manual, but with a crawl gear. So those are the transmission options for the Bronco. I should also add there will be a Sasquatch package available on every single Bronco and will be standard on the Wild Track. It will have 35-inch tires standard with 17-inch beadlock capable wheels. This package also includes front and rear locking differentials, an electronic front and rear axle, trail control, and a 4.7 final drive ratio. Overall, I really like this new Bronco. I'm intrigued to see what happens with this vehicle. Spring of 2021 is when we should see these things out on the road, maybe even on those desert trails. Pricing for this thing looks to be right around the $30,000 mark, and even for the first edition it would probably be somewhere around $60,000, right around there. It looks like Jeep has some work to do. Thank you guys so much for watching this video about the 2021 Bronco. Let me know in the comments what you all think of this vehicle right here. If you guys did enjoy and like to see more, don't forget to drop a like on this video. As well, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. I do want to say thank you guys so much for the support on this car news series. I do like making these videos, and I do hope you guys enjoy seeing these types of videos here on the channel. So I do want to say thank you guys for your support. Thank you guys so much for watching, and with that all being said, I'll see you guys in the next episode.